Nothing beats the comfort of home. It is where we find peace, safety, and warmth. But what if the very process of building our homes contributes to pollution? Thus our comfort triumph over the Mother Earth. Construction is the backbone of urban development, providing the infrastructure we rely on daily. But there's a hidden cost. Construction pollution.
Mayong buntag, sir, mga namin mo unsay mga construction nga mga ginahimo ninyo ani nga magkahatag og polusyon sa atoang kinaiyahan.
Sana dito basa o pag-bag sir daw kami nagpupus ito buong pinamimigras sa kauyan niya.
Building site waste like debris,
Metals, plastics, wood,
and hazardous materials.
Which pollute our environment, contaminate our land and water, release harmful dust into the air, and increase landfill waste.
This pollution can damage ecosystems and pose health risks to workers and to the surrounding communities.
Failure to control concrete washouts can result into significant pollution escaping from the site.
This can cause serious problems on drains and have a damaging impact on pH in local water courses.
Construction machines like excavators, cranes, bulldozers, and cement mixers are typically diesel-powered, and they release a fair amount of harmful emissions including SO2, CO2, and CO.
It exposes loose soil, which is vulnerable to soil erosion. Rainwater can form rills and gullies, which accelerate soil erosion and create pathways for pollutants to travel to nearby water sources.
Noise pollution in construction comes from heavy-duty machinery, the falling of large materials during demolitions, and generators, among other sources.
This combination makes construction and demolition sites major contributors to noise pollution.
But it doesn't have to be this way. There are solutions to reduce the impact of construction pollution. Let us encourage everyone to recycle and properly dispose of hazardous waste and reduce noise with barriers and adjusted work schedules.
Individually,
We can make
a change.
Together,
we make a difference.